Are you moving to Florida? Are you a Florida homeowner? Did you just buy a house or are looking to buy a house? There are 4 inspections that you need to know about, 3 of which have to do with insurance. Let me break them down for you to make your life just a little bit easier. I'm Julia, an independent insurance agent with boots on the ground here in Florida. The Florida insurance market is very difficult right now. It is what's called a hard market, and I'm making your life just a little bit easier by giving you these tips and tricks to help manage the chaos. First up is a general inspection, and this is probably the inspection you're the most familiar with. It's going to be your ability to do your due diligence to make sure you understand the home that you're buying. And although not required, it is highly recommended by most real estate professionals. Here's a tip. From an insurance perspective, we don't need this, nor do we want to see it. It can unnecessarily open up a can of worms. But I got 3 more inspections for you that are very insurance related. The 4-point inspection is insurance specific, and it is something that's going to determine eligibility. Will that company accept your risk? At the end of the day, it is usually required for homes that are 20 years or older. It's gonna look at the 4 major points: the roof, the electrical, the HVAC, and the plumbing. And generally speaking, the 4 points usually last for about 1 year. It does not mean that every year you need to have a new 4-point, but understand if you had one done 2 years ago and you're switching companies, that new company will likely require you to have another one done. This is the one that a lot of people really like. It is called the wind mitigation inspection. Now I know it doesn't sound really fun, but this is the one where you get the discounts applied to your home insurance premium. Everybody wants discounts, right? We're gonna look at how well your home is going to mitigate the risk of wind damage. Now, it's never required, but we recommend it for homes built before 2002, and they typically last for about 5 years, dependent on the company. You just went to the closing table, you moved into your new home, or you're just establishing a new insurance policy. That 4th and final inspection is going to be the insurance company inspection. Now, although this is at no cost to you, every insurance company wants to truly understand that risk that they are taking on. And so they will do some form of an inspection. Now, it's going to depend on the company, the risk itself, the location. There's no way of truly determining ahead of time what type of inspection will be done, but one of 3 inspections will be done on your property. It'll be a full inside-outside inspection with pictures. It can be a drive-by inspection, or it can be a self-inspection. And this typically happens within the first 90 days of that policy being established.